Dear devotees and disciples and samajis, satsangis, sannyasis and ashramites who are sitting with us around the world at this moment in 1592 places, in 295 cities in 35 countries. I welcome all of you with my love and respects for this auspicious Shivaratri function. There is only two ways of existing. One, constantly thinking, centered on the individual small self. I. This small centered I constantly makes you feel everything else is at fault in life except you. But the truth is, everything else is auspicious except your small centered I. The other possibility of existing is being the center of the cosmic auspiciousness, understanding everything is reasonless, causeless auspiciousness. Whether life is happening to you or death is happening to you, whether health is happening to you or disease is happening to you, whether wealth is happening to you or poverty is happening to you, whether fame is happening to you or defamation is happening to you, ultimately, everything is auspicious. Understanding everything is auspicious brings tremendous sense of joy and freedom in you. Love and opening in you. Understanding everything is auspicious makes you feel the center of the cosmos, which is Shiva. So understand. Do this one small process as a homework. Sit and pen down tomorrow just for half an hour the incidents which happened in your life which you felt as bad when it was happening. You felt as suffering, torture. But after 2 months or 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, you realize that incident has added some good thing to you, some auspiciousness to you, some great thing to you, some understanding to you. Pen down at least 10 incidents which can give you this understanding. Read those 10 incidents, think through, and try to find the central truth. Whatever is happening, whether your small logic understands or does not understand, it is auspiciousness. It is bliss. It is ultimate truth. Try to understand this extraordinary truth. Try to understand this extraordinary auspiciousness. This is the prasada of Shivaratri. This is the truth of Shivaratri. So all of you, make this truth as your life. Make this thinking as your experience. Make this feeling as your center of living, and let you all experience all the auspicious things and auspiciousness in your life. Let you all experience the Ishwaratva, ultimate leadership quality, and Shivatva, ultimate auspiciousness in your life.